Good morning, YouTube. Oh, it's a Wednesday morning. It's damn cold here in Mumbai. It's really cold. Temperature would be somewhere around 17 to 16 degrees. That's cold for us. It may not be cold for some Delhi guys. So basically today what we are going to discuss is basically daylight running lights. It's DRLs. So what are DRLs? Basically, honestly in my opinion, daytime running lights is that your light is actually on throughout the day. So be it in the daylight or in the night. Basically that is quite irritating for some people's ears because they keep telling you to switch the lights off. Now that's what I face. So that's what I face. I keep on getting this impression of that switch off my lights, but basically if you see I can't, because the norms abroad are actually telling you that you have to keep your lights on. Basically it is nothing, it doesn't consume much power, nothing. It's basically a safety issue. So basically it's a safety measure. So any heavy vehicle in front of you will actually be able to spot you, because considering you are on a bike, you are quite small in size. So basically any person with a heavy vehicle or in car or any other bike for that matter will be able to spot you from a distance, even in broad daylight. This can actually reduce accidents, yes, because people at the back will know that there is something coming. So that is my opinion as to why DRLs are better. Now many bikes have, my bike has it, all the Ninjas have it, imported bikes have it, you have the SDKs, they have it. And now as a surprise, the RC390 also will be coming with a DRL. So basically there were pictures of a switch gear which was black, which you don't have a light on off switch. So basically the low beam will remain on non-stop, be it day or be it night. So that is one very good feature. So I actually like. I wish the Pulsars also come up with, but they have LED running lights. So I don't think that is much visible. So you have bikes like the Apache, RTR, you have the RS200, you have the AS200, which are having daylight running lights, but they have LEDs, so the LEDs are quite small and actually cannot make out your light as compared to a low beam. So I prefer the low beam. When I had a 220 before this, I used to use some projector lamp, but actually it's quite irritating for people in India here. They don't know the concept of DRL, and they end up telling you to switch your light off. For the record, I have, in one stretch of 20 kilometers, I have been asked by 20 people to switch my light off, and that was freaking irritating. So I think so the government should create some awareness about daylight running lights. Even the cops, the authorities do not know this, so that's sad. Do let me know about the same and whether you like DRLs or not. Back to work now.